We at Vallejo are pleased to introduce our new DIORAMA FX display, with many new features designed to inspire and enhance your experience when creating your scenes, vignettes, and dioramas. Whether you are a gamer looking for attractive bases for your figures, or a modeler looking for the right setting for your historical dioramas, we offer you realistic terrain textures like you have never seen before. We are going to talk about the new additions to this range, so complete that you will be able to realistically ambient that world of fantasy. The base on which your Templar warrior stands, or the desert where terrible battles are fought. Landscapes textures. Continuing with our goal of making things easier for the modeler, we incorporate a new range of products within the DIORAMA FX line that will not leave you indifferent. We are talking about terrains, textures, your realistic bases, an effective combination of sand, gravel, and rocks, with a selection of sizes that we have studied according to the real natural effects of transition, erosion, and terrain characteristics. There are 21 references available, with 7 different colors and 3 grain sizes for each one of them. From fine sand suitable for any scale, gravel of intermediate thickness, and finally, the largest reference, perfect for representing rocky and rugged terrain. We also offer you a fixing medium for these textures, Terrain Fixer, which acts by capillarity and will fix the sand or gravel textures to your base without difficulty, resulting in a matte finish. Water textures. We are pleased to announce the introduction of 5 new references in the water texture line to complete our DIORAMA FX display. Their hues range from shades of river water, swampy or muddy water, to the new tropical water reference with its characteristic undertone. These textures are presented in 200 milliliters / 6.76 fluid ounces format, and their characteristics make them ideal for combining with the colored still water, base tones to create the sensation of moving water, surfaces, currents, waves, etc.